Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Mustafa and welcome to IELTS American Academy in Shatkhira. Actually, I was previously working as a IELTS trainer in Cyprus and SD IELTS in Dhaka city. And my IELTS band score is 7 and 7.5 in speaking. In fact, it's a really very big news for the people who are living in Shatkhira city. That for the first time a world-class English language center has been successfully started here in Shatkhira. Basically, we offer IELTS 7 plus guaranteed course, spoken course with British pronunciation, and writing course with basic grammar. After a long assessment, uh, regarding the financial condition of the students, we have set very affordable courses for the students with high standards and monthly payment systems. In addition to this, as the classroom is designed with the cutting edge technology, you can get the maximum learning environment which will help you to get or which will help you to be prepared for the future. Furthermore, if you want to go to a developed country like Canada to pursue your higher degree, uh, you will need a good IELTS band score, which will be ensured by our academy. To be honest, if you get admission to our academy just after the completion of your course, you must be a fluent speaker and achieve 7 plus IELTS band score. Last but not the least, the resources provided by our academy will assist you to reach your goal. So please like and visit the page to watch the videos and pictures and enrich yourself. Thank you very much.